Hi, this is John with WTI. And as I've been working a lot lately, I'm dropping down a little bit of sugar. I've been eating way too much sugar lately. This is where this Waterloo lime sparkling water. First few things that I'm gonna tell you the most about this. Great flavor, great taste, and at the same time, no sugar, which means no calories. This guy here is a great option. It's a great alternative if you're a guy who's always taking like nice sodas or like is enjoying most of the time some sugary drinks. And if you're just trying to drop down a little bit on the calories on your caloric intake per day, this guy here having drinks like this are a great option. Plus, it's really convenient because you can just go outside, grab a couple of these guys, ice, and you're good to go. And maybe you're not feeling like you're missing out something. Like I could definitely go on this and have a good time without needing the sugar or maybe other sodas. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.